All right, let's go ahead and look at example 3. It's an application. It says, given a cube with surface area S, the volume of the cube can be found by using the formula V equals the surface area divided by 6, all raised to the 3/2 power. Find the volume of a cube with a surface area of 54 meters squared. All right, perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this equation down. V equals S over 6 to the 3/2 power, and the surface area equals 54. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute that number in. Okay, perfect. So what I see is I have 54 divided by 6. So what is 54 divided by 6? Can I simplify this at all? I know that both of these numbers are even, right? So if I simplify them by 2, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 54. Well, 2 goes into 25, and then it goes into 4 2 times. So it would be 27, right? And then I want to see, okay, can I simplify 27 divided by 3? And yeah, 27 divided by 3 is 9. So this all really just simplifies down to 9 to the 3/2 power. Perfect. Now what I'm looking at, whenever I have this fraction, I'm looking at the bottom number, and that's going to be my square root, right? So I want to ask myself, is 9 a squared number? Can it be written as a squared number? Because if it can, then it can cancel out with that square root, right? So 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So I'm going to go, instead of writing 9, I'm going to write 3 squared. And then I can do the power rule, right? We just multiply. And then what happens? These 2's cancel. We multiply across. We get 3 to the 3rd power. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So our volume is 27 meters cubed. Volume is always in cubed, and we're talking about meters up there. So yeah, perfect. Okay, now I want you to try this. Check it out, example 3 on your own. Here's my friend the Pause Dragon. Remind you to pause your device. Go ahead and work the problem out. When you get done, press play, and we'll talk about it together. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, let's see how you did. It says the approximate number of calories C that an animal needs each day is given by this formula. C equals 72 times M to the 3/4 power, where M is the animal's mass in kilograms. Find the number of calories that an 81 kilogram panda needs each day. So that means that M equals 81. Okay, so we're just going to substitute that in. And C equals 72, M is 72 times 81 to the 3/4 power. And then what I'm going to look at is this number right here on the bottom. It's a 4. So I'm going to ask myself, can 81 be written as a number to the 4th power? Right? So what were my numbers to the 4th power? They were right here. Can 81 be written? Yeah, 81 is the same thing as 3 to the 4th. So instead of writing 81, I can write 3 to the 4th. So C equals 72 times, instead of writing 81, I'm going to write 3 to the 4th because they mean the same thing, raised to the 3/4 power. So then power rule, just multiply them. I got C equals 72 times 3 to the 4th power times 3/4. What happens? This is 4 over 1. The 4's cancel. I multiply across. I get 3 over 1 in the exponent. So 72 times 3 to the 3rd, right? And then I just need to figure out, well, what's 3 to the 3rd? 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So C equals 72 times 27. And then I just need to figure out what that is. So 72 times 27, it's times. 7 times 2 is 14. Write the 4, carry the 1. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 1 is 50. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. 4, 4, 9, 1. Okay? So the amount of calories is 1,944 calories each day. So that is it. That's the number of calories. If you got that one right, awesome job. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit for example 4.